Most people think you need 5,000 followers to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, but in 2026, that is not the full story anymore. Because there is now an official route that may let smaller creators get started earlier. And if you are sitting at 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers, or you are nowhere near 5,000 yet, this could save you months of waiting. But let me be clear, this is not about buying followers, it is not about fake accounts, and it is not about paying someone online to unlock TikTok Shop for you. Those shortcuts can get your account restricted before you ever make money. What we are talking about is the real route, the legitimate under 5,000 follower opportunity that most beginners do not understand properly. And in this video, I am going to break down why the 5,000 follower rule exists, what the loophole actually is, how to check if your account can apply, and what to do in your first 30 days if you get approved. Because getting access is not the same as making money, and that is where most people go wrong. They finally get into TikTok Shop affiliate. They pick random products, they post random videos, and then nothing happens. So first, why does TikTok even have a 5,000 follower rule? Because TikTok Shop is not a normal affiliate platform. The product is inside the video. The checkout happens inside TikTok, and the creator becomes part of the buying decision. So TikTok has to protect the buyer, the seller, and the platform. If anyone could promote anything instantly, you would get spam accounts, misleading claims, fake reviews, low-quality content, and people pushing bad products just to earn commission. So the follower rule is basically a trust filter. It tells TikTok that your account has some history, some audience, and hopefully some real content behind it. But here is the important part. TikTok also knows that follower count is not always the best sign of whether someone can sell. A small creator with 1,500 followers in a clear niche can sometimes sell better than a random creator with 20,000 followers and no trust. A skincare account reviewing beauty products, a cooking account showing kitchen gadgets, a pet account testing dog products, a mechanic showing car tools. These accounts might not be huge, but they make sense commercially, and that is where the loophole comes in. The main route is TikTok's Creator Pilot program. This is the key thing smaller creators need to know about. TikTok's own guidance now explains that some affiliate and marketing creators with fewer than 5,000 followers can enter a 30-day pilot period after verification. But this is not full unlimited access. During the pilot, there can be limits. You may only be able to promote products from stronger shops. You may have limits on how many product videos you can post each week. You may have limits on TikTok Shop Lives, and you may not be able to join certain campaigns straight away. So yes, this may help you get started before 5,000 followers. But no, it does not mean you instantly get every feature bigger affiliates have. Think of it like TikTok giving you a trial period. TikTok is basically saying, prove you can do this properly, prove you can create useful product content, prove you will not spam the platform, and prove you can follow the rules. That is why your first 30 days matter so much. If you get approved and then waste it on lazy videos, bad products, exaggerated claims, or spammy content, you are not using the loophole. You are burning it. Now, there are 4 realistic paths to understand. Path 1 is the Creator Pilot route. This is the main under 5,000 follower route. To check it, go into TikTok, open your profile, go to TikTok Studio, then Monetization. Then look for TikTok Shop for creators. If your account is eligible in your region, you may see the option to apply. If you do not see it, do not panic. It could mean your account is too new. Your region is not included. You do not have enough followers yet. Your account has recent issues, or TikTok simply has not opened that option for your account. TikTok does not show every feature to every account at the same time. So keep building properly and check again later. Path 2 is the 1,000 follower self-apply route. This is important because for some creators, the first target is not 5,000 followers. It is 1,000 followers with a clean account. That is a much smaller goal, and it changes how you should think. If you are under 1,000 followers right now, your job is to build toward 1,000 real followers in one clear niche, not random followers, not follow for follow followers. Real followers who match the products you eventually want to promote. Because TikTok is not only asking, do you have followers? It is also asking, does this account make sense for shopping content? Path 3 is brand or seller collaboration. This is not always the same as full open affiliate access, but it still matters. Some sellers want creators who fit their product, even if they are not massive. A small cleaning account could be useful to a cleaning product brand. A small pet account could be useful to a dog product seller. A small fitness account could be useful to a gym accessory brand. This is why niche matters. Your account should make it obvious what type of product belongs there. Path 4 is the seller route. This is different from affiliate, but worth knowing. If you have your own product, or you want to sell under your own brand, you may be able to apply as a TikTok shop seller instead. Affiliate means you promote other people's products for commission. Seller means you sell your own products through TikTok shop. Different route, different requirements, different strategy. Now let's go through the application walkthrough. Step 1. Go to your TikTok profile. Open TikTok Studio. Tap Monetization. Then look for TikTok Shop for Creators. If the option appears, open it and read the requirements carefully, because the exact wording can change by country, and your screen may not look exactly like someone else's tutorial. Step 2. Check the basics. You normally want to be at least 18? You want your account in good standing? You want a completed profile? You want original content already posted? And you want to avoid recent community guideline issues. This matters because TikTok Shop is commercial, and commercial content has a higher trust standard than normal posting. Step 3. Clean your account before applying. This is one of the biggest golden nuggets. Do not apply with a messy profile. No clear niche, no proper bio, random reposts, low-quality clips, and no sign that you can actually create product content. Before you apply, make your page look like a creator account that belongs in TikTok Shop. Use a clean profile picture. Write a simple niche-based bio. Post content around one product category, and make sure your recent videos match the products you eventually want to promote. You do not need to look famous. You need to look trustworthy. Step 4. Only apply through official TikTok routes. Do not pay someone to unlock TikTok Shop. Do not buy an account with access. Do not use fake details. And do not use suspicious location tricks. Even if it works for a short time, it can ruin the account later. The clean route might be slower, but it gives you something you can actually build on. Now let's say you get approved into the pilot. What should you do next? This is where most beginners mess it up. They get access, then immediately promote anything with a high commission. That is the wrong approach. Your first goal is not to promote the most products. Your first goal is to prove your account can create useful shopping content. So in your first 30 days, be selective. Avoid products with poor reviews. Avoid weak shops. Avoid products that need crazy claims to sell. Avoid products that do not fit your niche. And avoid anything you cannot explain clearly in a short video. Use this simple product filter. Can I show the product clearly? Can I explain the problem it solves? Can I make 3 different video angles for it? Does the product already have demand? Does the shop look reliable? Does the commission make sense? And would someone understand why they need it within 5 seconds? If the answer is no, skip it. Because the best TikTok Shop products are usually easy buying decisions. A cleaning tool that saves time. A kitchen gadget that solves an annoying problem. A beauty product with a visible result. A storage item that fixes a messy space. A pet product that solves a daily frustration. Simple problem, clear product. Fast demonstration, easy reason to buy. That is what works. Now here is what I would do in the first week after approval. Day 1. Research only. Look at the products you're allowed to promote. Check reviews. Check the shop score. Check previous creator videos. Check if people are actually buying. And ask, can I make this feel natural on my page? Day 2. Choose one product, not 10. 1. Then create 5 angles for it. A problem angle, a before and after angle, a mistake angle, a comparison angle, and an honest review angle. This gives you multiple videos from one product, instead of jumping around every day with no strategy. Day 3. Create your first 2 videos. Keep them simple. Hook the problem quickly, show the product clearly, explain the benefit, and keep the video focused. A good TikTok Shop video usually does one job well. It makes the viewer understand the problem, then shows the product as the solution. Day 4. Check your analytics. Did people watch past the first few seconds? Did they click the product? Did they comment? Did they ask questions? Your analytics and comments are your content roadmap. Day 5. Make a better version. If people ask if it really works, make a demonstration video. If people ask how much it costs, make a value angle. If people say they have the same problem, make a relatable video around that problem. This is how you improve, not by guessing, but by using the response from the market. And this is the real secret. The loophole is not just getting access before 5,000 followers. The real loophole is learning the skill before everyone else does. Because while other people are waiting, you could already be learning product selection, hooks, angles, analytics, buyer psychology, and conversion. That is the advantage, but only if you take it seriously. TikTok Shop is not magic. It rewards creators who understand three things: the product, the audience, and the reason someone would buy right now. If your video does not connect those three things, it probably will not convert, even if the commission is high, even if the product is trending. And this connects directly to video 9, because in that video, I analyzed 100 TikTok Shop affiliates. And the pattern nobody sees is that the winners were not just posting more, they were more specific. They matched products better to their audience. They repeated winning angles, and they treated TikTok Shop like a system, not a lottery ticket. So after this video, watch that one next. Because getting approved is one thing, but understanding what successful affiliates actually do differently, that is where the money is. So here is the simple action plan. If you have under 1,000 followers, pick one niche, build a clean profile, post useful content daily, and aim for 1,000 real followers who match your future product category. If you have over 1,000 followers, go into TikTok Studio, check monetization, look for TikTok Shop for creators, and see if the creator pilot route is available to you. Before applying, clean your account, make your niche obvious, and make your recent videos look like content from someone TikTok could trust with shopping features. If you already have access, stop chasing random products. Start building a system. One niche, one product at a time, multiple angles, clean analytics, and constant improvement. That is how you turn access into commissions. So the truth is, the 5,000 follower rule is not as simple as most people think. There are official routes that may help smaller creators get started earlier. But TikTok is not giving out free money. It is giving smaller creators a chance to prove themselves. And the creators who win are the ones who treat that chance seriously. They build clean accounts, they apply through official routes, they choose better products, they make useful content, and they avoid fake shortcuts that could destroy the account. So if you are below 5,000 followers, do not just sit there waiting. Start building the account now. Check the official TikTok Shop for Creator section. Look for the Creator Pilot option. And if you get access, treat those first 30 days like a test, because that is exactly what it is. And if you want to see what actually separates the affiliates who get sales from the ones who stay stuck, watch my next video. I analyzed 100 TikTok Shop affiliates, and the pattern nobody sees will show you what successful creators are doing differently. Subscribe if you want more honest TikTok Shop affiliate breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.